Hey guys, this is Captain Vinegar. We are like in a storm right now. Inside the house though. So much rain. I saw like a ton of lightning. Oh, lightning somewhere. So much thunder. It's like not stopping at all. Gust of winds up to like 90 kilometers an hour. That hasn't happened yet, as you can see. And large hail could come, which is a chance of a tornado. Look at that cloud formation. There's no supercell in view now. Sorry, something just fell. Okay, so clouds aren't really moving that fast. Well, moving like as fast as usually. Oh, we have some activity over here. What's going on in these? Oops. Was the thunder over? I hope the hail comes when I'm videotaping. Like, I hope it comes in like 1 minute or... Oh, I saw some lightning. Whoa. What's that over there? Kind of looks like a forming tornado, but it's just a cloud. Or else there would be a warning on TV that there is a tornado. Luckily, this house has a basement. Bug trying to get in the house there. Can't really open this window, can you? Maybe. It's not really raining as hard. Is it seriously over? If it starts up again, we'll be back.